I go by the name of G5 like this. She got a nigga like ass fat like walk him down like pack loud like stay dangerous. Call it what you want, Ben Frank. Fuck something. Put your hands on that table, don't break, baby. Do it with no hands, she ain't even gotta touch nothing. I'm tryna make the bitch leave, but she keep coming. Chop her ass, chop it down, yeah, I'm on that. I'll walk him down, make him run that.
Hello.
All right, got you. All right, you're gonna lead the way, and you know, we're in no rush.
Oh, no.
Be careful. Don't be looking at that dashboard.
Nah.
And look ahead. I forgot this shit is GP shift.
Yeah.
All right, go to the left of that vehicle, left of the Subaru, and up to the crosswalk. All right, and then first gear, because as soon as the light goes, we'll...
Yeah.
Today's Jalen's graduation party, and he wanted a small pool party, but he just had his wisdom teeth pulled, so we figured we'd give his gums some time to heal before we got some swimming pool action. So his party got a little bit postponed, which is why it wasn't right after his graduation weekend. But it's a hot day, so we're riding the bikes. It's the best vibe, right? He's got his towel trunks and other swim stuff in his backpack, so it's a full-on brand California type of day. This being his first time, I'm allowing him to ride long distances on the bike. I choose to just sit and observe what he does and how he chooses to navigate his environment. And this fool, he just immediately gets to splitting lanes and going 90. Now, as a parent, I'm sitting back here watching him. I'm right behind him on the R1. And the thing is, I want to see how he navigates, how he chooses his experience, right? He's got the freedom to move however he wants, because that's what motorcycling is all about. But the decision to just instantly jump on the freeway, do 90 and split, I thought he was going to slow down for a little bit, but Cuz just kept going faster and faster and faster. And I'm like, damn. And I'm not saying nothing, because I'm just watching how he maneuvers it, if he's confident in his maneuvers. And he was. So that led me to believe he was going to do this the whole damn time. So I tell him slow down. I pull it up on him. I'm like, hey, Chief, just because we can go do 100 splitting lanes don't mean we should. And he's like, oh, yeah, my bad. I wasn't even looking at the speedometer. But I'm like, blood, don't you feel like you going hella fast? He's like, oh, yeah, my bad. So I let him get back in front, because this is his day, you know, go back and lead. Because this environment, the scenery, the feeling, it's dope. I want him to experience it as an independent, but I just had to slow him on down there, Chief.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go. He was late. Cuz cheating.
A little peaceful day in Richmond. After Jalen's graduation, he had his wisdom teeth pulled, so we kind of held off on the party. He wanted to have a pool party until his wisdom teeth kind of healed, so we had his pool party today. I let him ride that. I rode this. We rode down to my sister's house, had a chill time, had his friends with him, and now we about to head home. This is a tough look, though. This is a tough ass look though.
There we go. You hear me? Yeah. Yeah. All right, go ahead. I'll follow you.
All right.
Hold on. I got you. All right. Okay. Yeah.
So here in California, lane splitting is legal 100%. Wherever you're from, I don't care what y'all do with your lanes. In Cali, we split them. So seeing how my son likes to ride, how he decided he wants to ride, I'm going to go ahead and take this time to just give him a little bit of the ropes on how to kind of do this safely and where to look and how to look at the traffic in your environment. So you're going to see me doing some hand signals, and I'm doing that because I don't want him thinking about what I'm saying. I just want him reacting to where I'm pointing, where he should look.
I know, yeah. So over this hill, there's usually police. So you just watch way ahead. Go over to carpool. Yep, go ahead. All right. There you go. Good. Oh, the Toyota just took it. I was gonna say we're gonna clear in front of the Sienna, but we got this. Come on. All right, it's gonna be windy right here. So come on. On your right, I got you. Yep. All right. All right, go ahead.
.30 in the morning, finishing up this video, about to edit it and get it up there on YouTube so you guys get it about 3 this afternoon. Just needless to say, everybody's all safe, everybody's all sound, great little ride, fun little environment, fun little experience. Again, this is California, y'all. California, we can split lanes. We can legally split lanes. Now, I just have to say that just so that people understand Don't come in the comments with that talk. This is California. We could split lanes. If you want to come to Cali, you need to know about that. If you drive in Cali, there's going to be motorcycles behind you, around you at any speed, because we can do that. So I just had to leave that, let y'all know that's what's going on. And just like I said, I don't want him experiencing and trying anything that he doesn't have the experience in without a little bit of guidance. So me getting to observe him, watch him, see how he rides, and see the decisions that he makes, it's all fine and cool. I just want to show him, I just want to show him a little bit of the ropes. So let me get this up, let me get this finished, and then, God damn it. And I'm going to go to work, and I'm going to see y'all in the next video. I'm going to get y'all too, because we out.